Dream Doors Central Otago, the customer feedback is excellent on our communication, excellent on our workmanship, and excellent all-round performance by us. So we really do excel at doing a really good kitchen.
Once Dream Doors had left, we looked at each other and we were like, good grief, this is a brand new kitchen.
The customer service, the project management, just excellent. Their communication, working with us, adjusting as we made changes, couldn't be better.
The attention to detail was amazing. The service from Dream Doors, superb. Their communication, excellent.
And our point of difference is being able to provide a great selection of product, and we have a right first time approach, so we generally do a lot more than what other competitors do.
We've got this unique award-winning system where we walk into the customer's house, type the numbers into the computer, and we give them a quote on site there and then.
So we're using really good products. I'm a licensed builder, so I'm always up to date with all the know-how of how to do things and the correct finishes.
We'll be having new cabinetry up here, new doors on here, new drawer fronts here, new doors here, and here we're building a full new section to incorporate a beer fridge, a wine station, and some lift-up cabinetry.
So we just generally make sure we're ahead of the game and ahead of our competitors.
Their skilled craftsmanship and the way they work together to work within an old space to create a new. Just working with other tradesmen, just brilliant.
We feel it's one of the best parts of the house, and people often say that your kitchen is the heart of the house, and we now really feel that it is.
Makes it all the worthwhile and all the hard effort that's been put in.
And they cleaned up after themselves. It was worth having a chat with Dream Doors. We're very happy.